My name is Sami Mubasher. I am co-owner of Clean Green Golf Balls. So Clean Green Golf Balls, we retrieve golf balls from golf courses all over the United States. We work with divers, maintenance crews, and homeowners. We retrieve all of those golf balls sent to our facility out in Bastrop, Texas, where we then soak the golf balls in a special solution, and we wash them, we sort them, then we grade them, and then we repackage them to sell directly to golfers all across the United States. So the main point is we had negotiated rates with the US Postal Service, and the piece of shipping software that we had used previously did not allow us to integrate those. So we needed to figure out a solution, and we needed to figure out a solution stat to be able to implement it. ShipStation came out to our facility, helped us set everything up, installed the software, trained our staff on how to use it, and it all now just works. Without ShipStation, we were losing about an hour and a half each day from whenever we were able to get started. So what it would look like without ShipStation is we probably wouldn't get our day started until about 11 o'clock that we're gonna start fulfilling orders within our warehouse. Being able to process orders quickly means my staff gets their hands on that order, they're able to fulfill it, and they're able to send it out to the customer. So this is gonna speed it up so much that our customers are gonna be way more satisfied now that we're getting stuff to them much quicker. And that's always the view that we've taken with our company, is to be quick and be light on our feet.